Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast your laptop screen onto your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share what's on your screen on your laptop to your Sony Bravia 7 TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and make sure that your TV screen and your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So ensure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi. Afterwards, what you can do is that you want to go ahead and right-click on your Google Chrome browser, click on Cast, and then select the TV right over here. So as you can see, it's now sharing my screen from my laptop to my Sony Bravia 7 TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cast your laptop screen onto your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.